Today, we're diving into a topic that's often shrouded in mystery: the sexual preferences of younger women, especially when it comes to older men. What exactly ignites their interest and desire? We've gathered confessions from younger women about the specific sexual behaviors they find most attractive. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer insight into their minds and what you can do to be more appealing. Ready to delve into this enlightening topic? Long-term seduction. Seduction for many younger women isn't just about the immediate lead-up to sex. It's an ongoing process. They often find it attractive when older men engage in a long-term seduction, where romance, flirtation, and attraction are built over time and maintained throughout the relationship. This continuous seduction can include romantic gestures, flirtatious messages, and creating anticipation for intimate moments, all of which contribute to a richer, more fulfilling sexual dynamic. Physical confidence. Younger women often express that they find physical confidence in older men very attractive. This isn't about having a perfect body or fitting into a stereotypical image of attractiveness. It's about being comfortable and at ease in their own skin. When an older man is unapologetically confident about his body, it radiates a sense of self-acceptance and maturity. This confidence can be a major turn-on, as it suggests a man who is focused on genuine connection rather than self-conscious about appearances. Sensual touch. The art of touch plays a crucial role in attraction and intimacy. Younger women often find it incredibly attractive when older men understand how to use touch in sensually engaging ways. This isn't limited to the overtly sexual. It extends to gentle caresses, playful nudges, or firm yet reassuring holds in everyday moments. These touches can convey a depth of feeling and connection, heightening the overall intimacy between the two. Intellectual foreplay. Sexual attraction doesn't always start with physical contact. Sometimes it starts with the mind. Younger women are often drawn to older men who can engage them intellectually, creating a form of mental foreplay. This could involve deep conversations, flirtatious banter, or shared interests that stimulate her mind. When a man can connect with her on an intellectual level, it can significantly enhance the sexual tension and eventual intimacy. Patience and no rush. One of the appealing traits in older men, as per younger women, is their patience in intimate settings. Instead of hurrying towards physical culmination, they take the time to truly explore and enjoy each moment with her. This unhurried approach allows for a more profound exploration of each other's desires, making the experience more fulfilling and intimate. Confident initiative. In intimate situations, younger women often find it attractive when older men take the lead with confidence and respect. This isn't about being overbearing, but rather about showing a level of assuredness and experience. Such confidence, coupled with respect for her boundaries, can create an environment where the woman feels both safe and excited. This initiative can range from planning a romantic evening to guiding the pace in intimate moments, always ensuring she is comfortable and willing. Attentive listening. In the realm of sexual attraction, attentive listening goes beyond hearing her words. It involves tuning into her nonverbal cues and understanding her comfort levels. Younger women appreciate when older men can read these signals and respond accordingly. This could mean slowing down or changing the approach and intimacy based on her responses. Attentive listening shows that you care about her experience as much as your own, which can significantly enhance mutual attraction and satisfaction. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence in sexual scenarios involves being aware of and sensitive to her emotional state. This includes understanding the complexities of her desires and any apprehensions. An older man who can navigate these emotional waters with empathy and understanding can create a deeply fulfilling and emotionally safe sexual experience. Such intelligence also means knowing when to be tender, when to be passionate, and recognizing the emotional cues that guide these decisions. Expressive desire, particularly in the context of sexual attraction, is about showing genuine appreciation for her as an entire person. This means valuing her beyond physical attraction and acknowledging her personality, intellect, and uniqueness. Expressing desire in this holistic way can make a younger woman feel deeply desired on all levels, not just the physical. This can include verbal affirmations, thoughtful gestures, and a focus on her pleasure, all of which contribute to a more meaningful and connected sexual experience. Respectful approach. For many younger women, the key to a deep sexual attraction lies in the respectful approach an older man takes. This respect transcends mere politeness. It encompasses a recognition and appreciation of her as an autonomous individual with her own desires and boundaries. In intimate situations, this could mean seeking explicit consent, being attuned to her comfort levels, and being willing to adjust actions accordingly. A respectful approach assures her that she is in a safe space, allowing trust and attraction to flourish. Playfulness and fun. Contrary to the stereotype that older men are always serious, a playful and fun attitude in the bedroom can be incredibly appealing to younger women. This includes the ability to laugh together, engage in lighthearted banter, and not take every moment too seriously. Such playfulness can make intimate encounters less about performance and more about mutual enjoyment and exploration, which can be a significant turn-on. It suggests a youthful spirit and a willingness to find joy in the shared experience. Adventurousness. A willingness to explore and try new things together in an intimate setting can be a major draw for younger women. This adventurous spirit indicates an open-mindedness and a readiness to break away from routine. Whether it's experimenting with new positions, fantasies, or even exploring new aspects of the relationship, an adventurous approach keeps the sexual experience dynamic and exciting. The key is always maintaining a foundation of consent and mutual comfort while exploring these new avenues. Consistent passion. Younger women often find a consistent display of passion and interest highly attractive. This doesn't mean a relentless physical pursuit. Rather, it encompasses a consistent emotional and intellectual engagement. An older man showing interest in her thoughts, feelings, and daily life, coupled with a passionate presence in intimate moments, conveys a deep attraction that extends beyond the physical. This consistent passion, which blends the physical and emotional aspects of the relationship, can build a powerful and enduring sexual chemistry. Genuine compliments. Authentic and heartfelt compliments can go a long way. Younger women appreciate compliments that go beyond surface-level observations. When an older man notices and appreciates the unique aspects of her personality or compliments her in a way that shows genuine appreciation, it creates a deep sense of being valued. These compliments are more about acknowledging her as a whole person than just focusing on physical attractiveness. Intimacy beyond physicality. Many younger women are drawn to older men who understand that sexual attraction is just one facet of a deeper connection. Building emotional intimacy through open communication, shared experiences, and emotional vulnerability can make physical intimacy more meaningful and fulfilling. This deeper bond enhances the physical experience, as it's rooted in mutual understanding and a strong emotional connection. Mindfulness and presence. In a world full of distractions, the ability to be fully present is immensely attractive. Younger women appreciate when an older man is entirely in the moment during intimate times, showing that he values their time together. This mindfulness, where he's attentive to her needs, responsive to her cues, and engaged in the experience, creates a powerful emotional and physical bond. It's about valuing quality over quantity, making each encounter significant and memorable. Expressive eyes. A compelling look can often communicate more than words. Younger women find it highly attractive when older men convey their desire and affection through eye contact. It's not just about staring. It's about the way an older man can make her feel seen and desired just with his gaze. This silent communication of expressive eyes creates an intimate connection, making even the simplest interactions charged with meaning and attraction. Attentiveness to her pleasure. In a sexual relationship, younger women deeply appreciate older men who prioritize their pleasure. This goes beyond mere technique. It's about being genuinely interested in what brings her joy and satisfaction. This could involve asking what she likes, paying attention to her responses, and being attuned to her nonverbal cues. An older man who is considerate and focused on mutual enjoyment tends to be more attractive as he fosters a sense of equality and respect in the intimate bond. Romantic gestures. Romance isn't always about grand gestures. Often it's the small, thoughtful actions that count. Younger women find it attractive when older men incorporate romance into both their daily interactions and intimate moments. This might be as simple as holding hands, leaving love notes, or setting a romantic ambiance. These gestures, combined with physical intimacy, create a deeper, more holistic connection. Spontaneity and surprise. Predictability can be comforting, but a little spontaneity can add excitement. Younger women often find it attractive when older men introduce an element of surprise and spontaneity in their intimate life. This could mean trying something new together, unexpected romantic gestures, or simply being open to unplanned moments of passion. The key is ensuring that spontaneity is always rooted in mutual consent and comfort. This approach keeps the relationship vibrant and exciting. Affectionate aftercare. What happens after intimate moments can be just as important as the act itself. Younger women appreciate when older men show affection and care post-intimacy, whether it's cuddling, gentle conversation, or simply staying close. This aftercare reinforces the emotional connection and shows that his care extends beyond physical attraction. This kindness and attentiveness contribute significantly to building a strong, intimate bond. Now that you've discovered what younger women find attractive, it's time to dive deeper. Learn the signs she wants to sleep with you, or discover how to tell if she thinks you're good looking. Thank you for joining us.